What happens when the bold richness of coffee collides with the tangy brightness of lemon? A new wave of drink innovation is born, vibrant, refreshing, and energizing in unexpected ways. For those always seeking the next exciting flavor or wellness boost, the fusion of coffee and lemon is a sensory experience that's shaking up morning routines around the globe. This pairing might sound unusual at first, but it's deeply rooted in both tradition and modern experimentation. Across different cultures, lemon has long been added to black tea, colas, and even espresso, creating a punchy contrast that awakens the palate. Now, coffee lovers are embracing this citrus twist for its flavor complexity and surprising health perks. The science behind it is simple but compelling. Coffee brings robust, earthy notes with a caffeine kick that sharpens focus and boosts mood. Lemon, on the other hand, adds a splash of acidity that brightens the flavor and contributes a dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. Together, they create a balance of bitter and sour that feels both indulgent and invigorating. There are a few popular ways to enjoy this fusion. The classic iced lemon coffee blends chilled espresso or cold brew with freshly squeezed lemon juice and a touch of sweetener, usually honey or sugar syrup. The result? A thirst-quenching pick-me-up that's crisp, slightly tart, and perfectly caffeinated. Some adventurous drinkers take it further by adding sparkling water or tonic for a bubbly, espresso-based mocktail. Beyond taste, this combo has gathered attention for its potential functional benefits. Many fans claim that lemon helps reduce the acidity of coffee, making it easier on the stomach. Others say it enhances digestion or helps with bloating. While science hasn't confirmed all these effects, one thing is clear: the drink is delicious, and people feel good drinking it. If you want to try it at home, the key is balance. Use a high-quality coffee, preferably medium or dark roast, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Start small with the citrus to avoid overpowering the coffee, and adjust to your taste. A touch of honey can bring everything together, or add a pinch of sea salt to make the flavors pop. Whether you're a die-hard espresso fan or a wellness-focused sipper, coffee with lemon offers something new and exciting to explore. It's not just a drink, it's a whole new vibe in your cup. Would you try this zesty twist on your daily coffee, or have you already tasted the trend? Share your thoughts and recipes below, we're all ears.